Making a homemade pizza is not only fun but also incredibly rewarding. Today we're diving into the simple steps to create a delicious pizza from scratch in your own kitchen. First, let's start with the dough, the foundation of any great pizza. In a large bowl, combine 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, mix 1 packet of instant yeast with 1 cup of warm water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it's frothy. Gradually add the yeast mixture to the dry ingredients, followed by 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix until a dough forms, then knead on a floured surface for about 5 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it rise in a warm area for an hour or until it doubles in size. While the dough is rising, let's prepare our toppings and sauce. For a classic tomato sauce, in a saucepan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, minced garlic, a can of crushed tomatoes, a teaspoon each of oregano, basil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Adjust seasonings to taste and set it aside. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. When the dough has risen, punch it down gently and roll it out on a floured surface. Shape it to fit your pizza pan or baking sheet. Transfer the dough to your lightly oiled pan, pressing out any air bubbles that remain. Spread an even layer of your homemade sauce over the base, leaving a small border for the crust. Now comes the fun part, toppings. Start with a generous layer of mozzarella cheese, then add your favorites, pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, or olives. The combinations are endless. Once your toppings are in place, bake in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Remove from the oven and let it cool for a couple of minutes. Slice it up and enjoy the masterpiece you've just created. Serve it with some fresh basil or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for an extra touch. And there you have it, a homemade pizza that's sure to impress. Whether it's a family dinner or a fun cooking project, making pizza at home is a deliciously satisfying endeavor. Happy cooking!